morning, all. Ira Epstein, and here I am as Johnny Cash, one of my other t-shirts I love. And it is Friday. I'm having a good time this summer. What can I tell you? It is August 15th, 2025, about 8:25 a.m. Central Time. So before we go look at the markets, we had a lot of economic data come out. But before I even hit that, I want to remind you, my dollar index report, very important. Markets fitting in right with what the report is saying. Daily charts, weekly charts. We're going to look at price counts, seasonal trends in the market, where the market might be headed, and the fundamentals that are all taking place right now. So this is so important. How do you get to see it? Well, number one, it's time sensitive. It's only up 3 business days, so by the time you see me on Monday again, there'll be a problem. How do you get this? Just come up here. You'll see a cursor. You move your cursor up there, give it a click, or go to iraepstein.com. It's right on the front page of the website, okay? So now let's go to where I was talking. And let me get to it this way. It's the best way. President Trump and Putin, they're going to probably meet Chicago time about 2:30 in the afternoon, given the time differences. The airplane's gone. Rubio's with it. All the big boys from America that have to be at this are there, and Putin will be bringing his team. Expect nothing but if they can agree to have a second meeting. If they don't have a grounds for a second meeting, then you got a real problem. The New York Fed Empire State Manufacturing, just look at the headline. It exploded to the upside. So we've been seeing manufacturing pick up this summer. No question about that when you go to the different areas. Retail sales, this is a good number. The advance was up 0.5%. Ex-autos, it was good. It was up 0.3, right in line with expected, and the revised June up. The bad thing is the import prices that we're getting. The market was expecting on import prices of goods flat. It's up 0.4. This means, in plain English, the people sending us the goods are not absorbing the tariffs. They could be absorbing part, but not all of it. And remember, the tariffs go on top of that. So this is a hot number. This is not a small number. Export prices, last month was up 0.5%, only up 0.1 right now. Petroleum prices, well, we know that they were up earlier, so the market is set back on that. Federal Reserve Industrial Production and Capacity Index came in down 0.1%. They expected it flat. The utilization was down 0.2. They expected, as you can see, what it was. So something's not right in those numbers. I don't know how it transposed. The production revised up 0.4 in June, and the utilization revised. So I don't understand what happened in the utilization. The copying of it got screwed up somehow. Some of this is AI, remember. June business inventory data coming out at 9, and we're looking for that up 0.2 of the month, compared with May's flat. So that's a June number. Keep that in the back of your mind. So we're still at this point where the market is looking through everything and saying, things aren't so bad. They're not bad at all. I don't agree with the idea that the United States should be buying Intel stock. I think others might be agreeing with me. Something's getting hit in that index right now. Gold market up slightly, dollar down. The dollar's just doing this. It's waffling back and forth right now. It's kicking foreign currencies all over the place. Right now, most are gaining on the dollar as we look together. Energy prices slipping again, but we're at the point where the short covering's sitting in the nat gas. That looked to me like the market is given reason for now the bounce in it. You're very flat in the bonds and the notes, as you can see. And in the grain market, nothing stays down forever. You've beaten these down. They're getting a little bit of a bounce, but overall, there's too much crop out there. There's more coming from Brazil. It doesn't look good as I see it. Keep your eye on cattle. This screw room problem is getting worse and worse, and it's going to hit the United States. I mean, it's just coming closer and closer to the border. The question is how to control it. It can affect pets. It can affect cattle. It can even hit humans. So you've got to be very careful with this, what's coming at it. And this thing's a nasty parasite. We have a way to do it with a certain type of fly that you breed, a sterile type of fly. We'll see if the U.S. can release enough to protect us. With that, I'll see you over the weekend as we review the weekend edition of all these markets. You have a great trading day.